Yo, what is up, everybody? How is it going today? Well, or tonight, whichever time you're watching this. But welcome back, and also happy Halloween, happy Halloween. But guys, it's crazy that we actually made it to the last day of Inktober 2018, baby. It's crazy. It's really mind blowing. You know, it was a great journey. It was a great challenge. And honestly, I learned so much during these 31 days. Even though I was complaining, even though my hand is dying. Matter of fact, it's dead. RIP my hand. Even though I felt like I wanted to get it over with and get it done, I kind of miss it already. I kind of miss it. It's crazy, you know? I learned so much about myself, about what I like and what I don't like, about what I do and what I don't do, and what I need to do and what I don't want to do, but I need to do it anyway. It's crazy how much I learned. You know, I found out that you can do so much with ink and a pencil. Like, you don't need coping markers or anything. You can do so much with just black and white. Like, black and white art is crazy, you know? You can do so much with just a pencil. You can do so much with just a ink pen, and both of them together, bruh, bruh. I mean, all of these illustrations I made with just a pencil and some ink pens, and maybe a Sharpie or two just to help me out. But it's pretty crazy. I'm super duper happy that it's over, but I'm also super duper sad that it's over. You know, it's one of those things where it's like, God, I'm glad I'm over and done with this, but it's like, dang, do I really want it to be ended? Do I really want to stop? But I know that it was gonna have to end eventually. You know, a month is only 31 days, which means we did 31 different illustrations every single day. That's crazy to me. I'm just glad I made it through this time, because last year, bruh, oh god, last year, let's just say I didn't make it. Okay, last year the drawings I did, they were awful. First off, because I didn't know how to draw, at least not that well, and two, I didn't even know what Inktober was. Okay, I just did it because everyone else was doing it. I was kind of like following, but now I actually understand what Inktober is for, and I think it was worth it. And I don't know about doing it next year, because you know this was a painful journey, but we'll see. We'll see. You never know. I might do it next year. I might not. We'll see about it. But yeah, guys, and also I want to say thank you to all the people who have been watching, all the commenters. The notification squad. I don't really have a notification squad, to be honest. You know what I'm saying? But still, to everyone who's been commenting, to everyone who's been supporting, to everyone who's been putting up with my boo, thank you. All right, thank you so much for getting me to 229. I think 229 subscribers. You know, it's crazy. I gained 100 subscribers in literally 2 months or 1 month. It's pretty crazy. You know, I'm just happy that we made it this far. I know 200 is not a big channel. It's not really oh wow, you made it. Nah, but I'm still happy for it. I'm still happy that I got a number, you know, that's in the 3-digit numbers. You know what I'm saying? I'm just happy about that. So yeah, I mean, it's pretty much it. This illustration was pretty cool. I hope you guys like it. It was all my design, all my idea. It was pretty crazy and pretty fun. So yeah, but I mean, it's all right. You know what I'm saying? I'm not mad at it. I'm super duper cool. I wanted to add a lot in this picture. I wanted to add a lot of things happening, a lot of stuff happening, a lot of things going on. So there's like skeletons and skulls and bones and vines and grapevines, and webs and spiders, and you know, overall, it's just a pretty dope illustration to me. You know, it reminds me of a tattoo. You know, like this could be like a tattoo that someone can get on their arm or like on their chest or whatever. It'll be a cool tattoo. You know, I've always thought tattooing was pretty cool. So, you know, I might be a tattoo artist one day. You never know. You never know. But before I end this little voiceover, I'm gonna give a big shout out to all of the people who have been commenting daily. Okay, the names that I've been seeing a lot in my comment section. I'm gonna be giving you guys a shout out because you guys are the real MVP. for watching my videos and sharing my videos and just being funny. You know, you guys are super duper hilarious, and I appreciate that. So, shout out to Evan TS189, I Am Human, XL and Minty, Mr. F, and my boy MOER. Thank you guys, thank you all so much for commenting, and keep on commenting and being awesome and being cool and sticking with me to the end. If I butchered your name, then you guys can roast me, and I won't be mad. But hopefully I didn't get any of your names wrong. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment, tell your friends about it. You know, we're growing slowly but surely. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy Halloween. Peace out, y'all. I'm out.
To the pumpkin song. In this town, don't we love it now? Everybody's waiting for the next surprise. Skeleton Jack might catch you in the backpack. Scream like a banshee, make you jump out of your skin. This is Halloween, everybody scream. Please make way for a very special time. Our man Jack is king of the pumpkin patch. Everyone hail to the pumpkin king.